Did you know the largest bank robbery in history happened during the fall of Baghdad? On March 18, 2003, as American bombs thundered across the city, Qusay Hussein walked into the Central Bank of Iraq. He carried a handwritten note from his father, Saddam Hussein, authorizing the withdrawal of $1 billion in cash. The terrified bank employees had no choice but to comply. Outside, coalition forces were closing in on Baghdad, but inside, something unprecedented was unfolding. For hours, trucks were loaded with stacks of $100 bills while explosions echoed through the streets. The city was collapsing around them, but the operation continued. This wasn't just a desperate grab for money, it was Saddam's final play to fund a resistance movement against the invasion. But here's the twist that made it the perfect crime. When Baghdad fell, the money vanished into the chaos of war. Most of it was never recovered, disappearing forever into the fog of conflict. $1 billion gone without a trace.